Christie's fishtails. And so what we're doing today is I just want to install a little thing to keep this from slamming closed as we're driving. It's supposed to, I believe from the factory, and some people on the owners forum say that they work fine, it's supposed to have kind of like a little hook that keeps it in there, and if you push pretty hard, you can kind of feel that it's got a little bit of resistance, but the problem is for ours, for some reason, doesn't have quite enough. So every time as we're driving down the road, if we don't have anything here to stop it from doing it, this thing starts to kind of do a little of that, and then it goes BAM! And it really freaks you out. Plus, I can't imagine it's good for the woodwork, or for the door, for the track, or any of that other stuff, because as it's slamming, it's doing a lot, it's hitting pretty hard. So what we have been doing is using our handy dandy bath mat here and just kind of curling it up so that it has something to run into besides the slam of the door jamb. But I don't really like that. I kind of just want it to not slam closed at all, because I mean, even if it doesn't slam all the way closed and make a big loud noise and freak us out while we're driving, it could hit one of our animals if they happen to be wandering through, and I just don't really like the idea. So I don't want it to close at all. I want it to stay like this and not close. And so what I did was I bought this baby door strap. It's kind of like what you'd use in your kitchen or your house to keep a baby from going into a room that you don't want them to go into, but that you want your cat or dog to be able to slip into. So it's kind of designed to allow a small animal to get through, but not a small person to get through, so that the animal can go get their food or use the kitty litter box or whatever. And so that's what it's for. It uses just adhesive, and I like the idea of that. I don't like the idea of having to cut or, put holes in the wall or any of that kind of stuff. And so my hope is this is going to work really well. And it comes with 3M adhesive, which I have found to be the best adhesive for this kind of thing. So it's semi-permanent. We can get it off. We need to someday if we find it doesn't work. So I'm hoping that it works. And it has a handy strap, so it'll allow me to adjust it. So I can put one over here and one over on the other side once I release it a little bit more. And I'm hoping that it's going to go far enough. Find out in a second, I guess. So that's one, and that's two. I think we're going to be good. I guess worst case, I could maybe install one on here or even on the door. But I'm going to try to not do that. So that is what my plan is. I'll come in here and sit on my John. And I brought some Q-tips. And I've actually got some rubbing alcohol already here that I've been using to prep surfaces as I've been installing all of the things like that throughout the coach as I've been doing stuff. So let's see here. We want it to go this way, I think, because that's the way the hook goes. So if we install this one right here, and that one over there, it's high enough so we don't have to bend over, I guess. So let's clean this surface right in here. Like so. Maybe get some light on the subject. Since we're doing film here, light is important. Just to see where we're at here. I want to put it above the door, I think. Rubbing alcohol, I have found, does a really good job of prepping the surface and getting it ready for adhesive. And then it just evaporates when it's ready to be sucked to. I'm going to do the other side, kind of in line with it. Just make sure we're on the same page there. It's going to be right in there, just above the handle over there. This one. Door Buddy, that's the product's name. next time we will not have the slamming going on. But we can get it off when we want to. So that'll be wonderful. No more slamming. Unless I want it to be open. In which case it'll be like that. That is fantastic. So thank you, Door Buddy, for keeping us from having the door slam on our pets or on our woodwork. I think that is a winner, and I will let you know for sure when our next trip happens.